Hey there, Bitcoin enthusiasts! Welcome back to everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Today, we're tackling an exciting topic: how Bitcoin works. Get ready to dive into the world of digital currency. So, what makes Bitcoin so special? It's digital, yes, but the real magic lies in its technology. Bitcoin runs on something called a blockchain. Think of it as a digital ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction ever made. This ledger isn't stored in one place. Instead, it's spread across thousands of computers worldwide. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about making transactions. When you send Bitcoin, the transaction is broadcast to the entire network. It then waits to be confirmed. Miners come into play here. No, not the ones with pickaxes. These miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. This process is called mining. Why mine? Well, mining is how new Bitcoins are created. And for their hard work, miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins. It's a win-win. Plus, mining keeps the Bitcoin network secure and trustworthy. One thing that makes Bitcoin stand out is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity is what gives Bitcoin its value, kind of like gold or diamonds. But how do you store your Bitcoin? In a digital wallet, which can be on your computer, smartphone, or even a special USB stick. Your wallet has a private key, like a super secret password, which you use to access and spend your Bitcoin. Here's the kicker: Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Once you send Bitcoin, there's no undo button. That's why it's super important to double-check everything before you hit send. To sum it up, Bitcoin works on blockchain technology, is mined by powerful computers, has a limited supply, is stored in digital wallets, and offers a secure and irreversible way to transact. And that's the magic of how Bitcoin works. Thanks for joining me on this tech adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bitcoin insights.